Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, you notice we do have here the Omron blood pressure and heart rate monitoring. And of course, as usual, we are going to compare this new smartwatch, its health features with our medical grade device here. Okay, so we will try and test the heart rate as well as the blood pressure monitoring. So if you have any questions regarding this comparison review, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here our medical grade device. It's already okay, prepared. Okay, and we are ready to test it now. So let's check. First, let's check our blood pressure and heart rate with this medical grade monitoring device. Okay, so I already turned it on. It's now checking. Okay, so let's just wait. It will give us the result in just less than 30 seconds, I think. Okay, so it's almost finished. 85, 83, 80, 74, 72. So we have here 104, okay, over 71, and we do have a 68 beats per minute. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Remember the results, and it is equipped with a heart rate, a ECG, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. What we are going to test is the heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, so let's wear it properly. Again, remember the results. Okay, oops, let's wear this properly. Okay, it's now set. Okay, so we have 104 over 71. Okay, so let's try. It's now checking our heart rate. Okay, should be the results. It's not necessarily that we should have an exact, okay, value, but at least closer to the 68 that we have here. Okay, we have 74. Let's see if it will have an average result. We are on 76 here. What we are after is the 68. Okay, I think we have the average here. That's it, 72. Okay, we feel the vibration. It says 72 beats per minute. Okay, so let's check. Okay, for the heart rate, let's check. Okay, for the blood pressure, let's check. So we have 104 over 71. Later on, we are going to have a simultaneous, okay, detection of our blood pressure as well as heart rate. So we can compare, okay, in the exact moment if the results are close or not. So we have, so the blood pressure, it's a bit close, okay. 104 over 71. So let's see. It's not yet. Okay, so we have 112 over 70. The okay, bottom part is almost the same, and we have the upper part is okay. It's a bit far. Okay, what's the upper part? Diastolic or systolic? I forgot. But anyway, let's check. Okay, again, let's go first with the heart rate. Okay, so this is simultaneous monitoring. So the last time was 72, and we have 68 here for the Omron. So let's see this time. Okay, we have 70 and 69, very close. Okay, as you can see here, 70 and 69. For the blood pressure, you should have at least 110 over 73, or at least 115 over 75 or less. Okay, it should not be more than 5 points. So let's check. So we do have here okay, 75, 110. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's it. 119 over. Okay, seems like it monitors again. It did not stop. Okay, there's an error on the blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so we have here the results. 119 over 78. Okay, it's far. Oh, not that far, but not too close either. Okay, so that's it for the blood pressure and the heart rate monitoring. And again, for the results of your smartwatch, it should be taken as a reference only and not as a means for diagnosing. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the health features, especially for the blood pressure and the heart rate monitoring of the W28 Pro smartwatch with our Omron medical grade device. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.